Hey, so I have an idea for the beginning of this video.
Okay.
I was thinking I start flying the drone in this space in our studio, take off, fly through the door there, go through the hallway, up the stairwell, and then fly upstairs in the hallway, and then into the new unit.
I mean, what if you crash? Like, or there's people in the hallway? It's like kind of a liability, don't you think?
I'll make it work.
Okay.
All right, all joking aside, that is our new studio. I will show some footage underneath all of this so that you guys get a better sense of what the new space looks like. But I just wanted to explain how it came to be, why we're getting a new studio, who's involved in getting a new studio, and really how getting this studio is a culmination and just work and friendship that took place over almost 5.5, 6 years. If you head over to Eric and Steven's channels, Eric's gonna explain the process of how we went about furnishing it thus far. And then Steven's actually gonna share about rally caps and the comeback for the next season and some of the plans that are in store for rally caps. So you wanna watch his video if you just wanna get an up-to-date update on rally caps. All right, I'll just show some footage first of the actual space, some of the things that we've done so far. I'll also share some of the things that we've done to get to this point. So we signed the lease almost a month and a half ago. And when I say we, that's Eric, Steven, and I. And actually, very soon, hopefully, Braxton will be joining us. And why this is so exciting is because it's us four that do YouTube together consistently. Actually, we started a group almost a year ago of holding each other accountable to start making videos together. Eric's been doing it for much longer than us, and I will touch on some of the history there. But one of the things that we kind of always dreamed about and hoped for was that someday we would have the ability and the space to make videos freely and consistently. Here's some footage of the space as it is. We did some painting, we've done some furnishing, we've done some shopping, and the past few weeks, that's what's been taking up our time and energy and efforts, is really just kind of getting the space ready to get started in using. All right, so as far as how we got here, how did we get to this place in getting another studio? I first need to say that Creative Club Chicago is not going anywhere. The space that you've seen me film the majority of my videos in the past year and a half, this space is gonna stay and we're still gonna be here. That second space, the purpose of that second space is really for us to have more freedom in filming whenever we want to film, both individually and also as a group. Rally Caps, the podcast, there's a set being built there right now that will live there permanently. So that space is really for Eric, Steven, Braxton, and I to have as little barrier as possible to start making more things. And again, you can watch Eric and Steven's videos to get a better sense of what some of our plans are and some of the things that we're gonna do together. I just wanna briefly explain how we got here. How do we get to this point 5.5, 6 years later after starting Creative Club? You know, when Creative Club started, we actually started on the 3rd floor in the same building nearly 6 years ago. It's been about 5.5 years. When we got that space, it was really a space for us to edit out of, to be more collaborative. I found myself a lot before getting that studio working out of my kitchen or my dining room. And so getting that space was such a monumental just moment for both my personal life but also for my business. Throughout that process, Eric was making YouTube videos and he was the only one, and for years he kept telling us, you guys should start YouTube channels, and we all kept saying, no, maybe not, that's probably not for me. But 2 years ago, after a lot of encouragement and push from Eric, I started this channel. Actually, I will show some footage of my early videos that were filmed in that old space. Since that space, we got this space, and we've been in Creative Club, as you see it in these videos, in the past year. We've been in for almost 2 years. You know, we just found ourselves needing more space. And so we told ourselves, if there's ever an opportunity for us to get another studio, another space, even ideally in this building, that we would jump on it. When a unit opened up on the 6th floor, just actually a unit right above, literally above us, we signed it right away. It's the work that we put in for 5.5 years, for 6 years, and all the work that we put in up to this point, I think is physically manifesting into getting that studio. We're very excited for what that studio signifies. I think more than that actual physical space, there are some very big things that we're going to do together as a group, and I'm very excited to kind of show you guys what we're going to work on this year and some of the things that we have in mind. I just wanted to hop on here with my video, at least with announcing the new studio, and share how we got to this point. You're going to see the majority of my videos this year being filmed up there, which I'm very excited about. Yeah, appreciate you guys. Hope you like this first video of the new year, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.